Welcome to Employment and Education News. IRCON International Limited vacancy for manager, senior work engineer, safety engineer on contract basis. Eligibility: degree in civil engineering, electronics engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, LLB, graduate with 1 year postgraduate in health and safety. Age limit: maximum 50 years for manager, 35 years for senior work engineer and safety engineer. Registration date: 30 March for manager, 28 March for senior work engineer and safety engineer at the office. Income Tax Department Spokesperson Recruitment: 1. Income Tax Inspector, 5 Tax Assistant and 18 Multitasking Staff. Eligibility: 10th and graduation. Sports discipline: football, basketball, volleyball, cricket, kabaddi, bridge, chess, athletics and gymnastics. Age limit: between 18 to 30 years for income tax inspector, 18 to 27 years for tax assistant and 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 18 April 2022. Salary as per pay level 1, 4 and 7. 29 executive trainee post vacancy in NMDC Limited. Eligibility: degree in electrical, material management, mechanical and mining engineering with GATE 2021 score. Age limit: maximum 27 years. Last date for application 25 March 2022. Application fees 500 and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen and departmental candidates. 100 Assistant Manager post vacancy in Small Industries Development Bank of India. Eligibility: bachelor degree in engineering, bachelor degree in law. Age limit: maximum 28 years. Last date for application 24 March 2022. Application fees 1100 for general, OBC, EWS and 175 for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Salary 70,000 approximately. Bengal Engineer Group and Center Roorkee vacancy for lower division clerk, stenographer, civil trade instructor, MTS, Laskar, washerman and barber. Eligibility: 10th, 12th. Age limit: between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 1st April 2022. Gorkha Rifles Regimental Center Lucknow vacancy for steno and barber. Eligibility: 10th, 12th. Age limit: between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 9 April 2022. Indian Oil Corporation Limited vacancy for junior engineering assistant. Eligibility: diploma in chemical engineering, diploma in refinery and petrochemical engineering, BSc physics, chemistry, mathematics with 1 year experience. Age limit: between 18 to 26 years. Last date for application 29 March 2022. Salary as per pay scale 25,000 to 1,05,000. Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research vacancy for nursing officer, medical laboratory technologist, junior engineer, technical assistant, dental mechanic, anesthesia technician, stenographer, junior management trainee, junior assistant. Eligibility: 12th, degree or diploma in nursing, bachelor degree in medical laboratory science, degree in anesthesia technology, graduate in civil engineering, electrical engineering, degree or diploma in electronics or electrical engineering. Age limit: maximum 35 years for nursing officer, 30 years for medical laboratory technologist, junior engineer, 27 years for stenographer. Last date for application 30 March 2022.